So we should drop you out of karate and take up erotic dancing? What were you doing with your pants before? Better than you?
He didn't get it from me.
I got it from TV.
Jonathan, what were you doing with your pants before?
Show Daddy how you were shaking your pants.
Your pants.
Like this.
Boy, your grandma's gonna be so proud.
Show Daddy how you shake your booty.
Oh my. I think Ryan's tired.
Nice.
Hey, watch this, Mommy and Daddy.
Wow, nice to spin. What kind of instrument does that sound like? What does it sound like?
A trumpet.
Ryan.
You're dancing slowly.
Aye.
Music, that's pretty good.
Our son's gonna be picked on frequently when he grows up, won't he?
Not by girls.
No, not by girls. Because they're gonna be doing his hair. Good thing we got Ryan.
He'll defend them.